see from this weird error which does not let you log into the system, and the error message says your PC ran into problem and needs to restart. We are just collecting some error info and then we'll restart for you. Eventually this error message stands for a very short time. Let's see how it looks like. So when you start your system, this error pops up like for a second and then suddenly restart the system. Let me show you the last part in a slow motion. There you go. So after the error pops up, immediately system restarts and then starts this automatic repair. And after some time, it starts diagnosing your PC. And finally, when it finds out that there is nothing to do more, it comes up with this screen showing two of the options, to restart or the advanced option. So before going into the advanced option for resolving this issue, let me tell you why this situation comes. There are multiple reasons, which includes changes in registry, recent changes in hardware of the system, any recent driver installation which went wrong, or improper shutdown of the system, which includes forceful shutdown. Let's get back to the automatic repair screen here. From here, if you restart the system, it comes with the same error and end up here only. Click on advanced option. Here you have three options: continue, troubleshoot, or turn off your PC. So believe me guys, if you can just click on continue, it will not do anything and it will end up again in restarting the system and getting the same error again. So click on the troubleshoot option. Here, four options are there. Refresh your PC. If you click on that, it will again not gonna help you. Reset your PC is not gonna help you. And diagnostic and recovery toolset is not gonna help you. So go to the advanced option. Now, here there are multiple options that you can use to restore your system. So the first option is system restore. If you have created a restore point, then only the first option, system restore, is going to help you. Well, I have not created any restore point, so this option is not going to help me. Neither I have created a recovery image. So the second option, system image recovery, is not also going to help me. Startup repair, we have already done that. Startup setting, you'll get different options here, like logging into the safe mode. If you try going into the safe mode, it is not going to help you again. So I'm just going to back and click on the command prompt. Now, after clicking on the command prompt, select any one of the user and type in the password. Once you type the password, go to the C drive by typing C:. So let me explain you what I'm going to do basically here. So I'm just going to restore the registry. Okay, we have seen the reasons for this issue. One of the reason is registry changes. So what I'm going to do is whatever the changes that have happened unintentionally, I'm just going to revert that and restore those registry back to its original state. So go to the C drive by writing C:, then go to CT Windows System 32 folder. From here, go to config folder. To see the content in this config folder, just type dir. Okay, so in this folder, if you can see, there is a folder called registry backup, reg back. So I'm just going into that folder, reg back, and to see the content of this folder, I'm just going to write it down dir. So in this folder, in this registry backup folder, there are 5 basic files: default, SAM, security, software, and system. These are the registry backups. And if you observe in the previous directory, that is config folder, in the config folder itself, all these 5 files are located: default, then SAM, security, software, and system. Okay, so what I'm going to basically do here is I'm going to replace all those five files from this folder with these backup files. In order to do that, I will first rename all of these 5 files available in the config folder. So type in REN. The first is okay. I'm not going to rename the files in this registry backup folder, so I'm going back to the previous directory, and from the config folder I will first rename the default file. So rename default to default1. The same manner I'm going to rename SAM to SAM1, rename security to security1, rename software to software1, and rename system to system1. So all of these files have been renamed to these names. Now what are we going to do here is we are going to copy these 5 files from registry backup folder to the config folder. Okay, so let me go back to registry backup folder and copy all from this location, the current location, to C Windows System 32 and config. So you can see all these 5 files are now copied into the config folder. If you want to just if you want to confirm, go back to the previous directory, config directory, and type in dir. You can see here this is the copied file default, and the other one is the default one.